Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new update on Twitter where you can now share your tweet from Twitter to Instagram story on your iPhone. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So if you're someone who likes to share tweets on your Instagram stories and your photo gallery is full of tweet screenshots, well, then this would be your solution. Twitter has this new update where now you can add tweets to your Instagram stories with one click. So let me show you how to do it. Before we start, make sure Twitter is updated to the latest version from your App Store. Now, once that has been updated, go ahead and open your Twitter app on your iPhone. Now scroll through your tweet and select the tweet which you want to share on Instagram story. Then tap on the tweet. Now at the bottom of the tweet, you'll see a share button. Tap on it. This should open up the share window at the bottom. Within the share window, you should see Instagram stories. Tap on it. If this is your first time, it will ask you for your permission. Go ahead and tap on open. This should now open up your Instagram story editing screen and the tweet should be in the center of the screen. Now resize it or reposition it anywhere you like. You can even add your extra text, stickers or music to the story. Once you're done, go ahead and post it to your story. And there you go, that is how to share a tweet from Twitter to Instagram story on your iPhone. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.